Okay. You look handsome. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello. So now we're gonna open our package for Mari. This is from Ken's mom and dad.
And sister too.
Oh yeah, and sister too, Kimberly from Amerika. So we're gonna open this, guys. Yeah, we're gonna unboxing. Okay.
Okay.
Han, open
Alright.
it, Han.
I wanna see.
Yeah, I wanna see. Sorry teman-teman, aku pakai bahasa Inggris. Ya palingan aku campur-campur lah ya. Ini dikirim tanggal when they sent it?
A week ago maybe? 1 week?
Yeah, 5 days ago maybe.
Yeah, it was fast.
Fast ya, lumayan cepat ya. Dibanding yang aku bayangin, aku pikir itu bakalan sampai Jumat, Sabtu gitu. Ternyata enggak.
Ta-da. Walmart.com.
Okay. Aduh, what is that? Oh my gosh. This is from Kim and Jude. Oh my gosh. Kita dikasih ya ini dari Kim and Jude. Oh my gosh, it's really cute, Han.
What is this? It's baby toy.
Mhm.
Baby toy.
Maybe we have to come in here, maybe, Han. Jadi segini loh sebox ini. Ya, okay, show.
Avocado.
Avocado toy for baby. Ya ampun, lucu banget nih. It's cute.
Stroller. So you can put in
Stroller or maybe
Crib
a
or
crib, yeah.
oh,
What is that?
teeth so they can bite it.
Teeth bread? Oh, he can bite it. Oh, I don't have. Maybe I have to put it like something in something maybe. Because mommy will gonna play with it. Ini barang belanjaanku. I bought this on plastic bag.
Probably you can wash it too.
Okay. Ini aku masukin sini. What is that? Oh, ini buat ini ya, biar dia bisa ini. Dia bisa gigit-gigit. Padahal aku mikir mau beli toy kan, tapi udah dikirimin sama adik ipar. Lumayan. What is that? Oh, it's cute. Hitsuji.
It plays music.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, you wind it?
Ampun.
Very cute.
Cute.
Okay, and then?
And then clothes, jacket.
Oh, cute.
Oh, this is for shower? No?
This is kind of like...
Yeah, towel.
Yeah, they can put on after bath. It's got little ears, very cute. Sheep again.
Ini ya, kayak handuk gitu loh, kayak
All sheep.
handuk-handuk ada kepalanya. Iya, Hitsuji-san.
Oh,
Hai.
look.
Iya, ada kakinya. Ya ampun, lucu banget deh.
Oh,
Jumpsuit.
looking snappy. Oh, onesie.
This is for...
And the crown. They're cute.
looking snappy. Ini buat 3-6 bulan. Ya ampun,
There's
baju banyak banget.
There's no anti like the one I got.
Antique.
This is from her aunt. His auntie. And this
Kalau
is,
kalian ingat Kim sama Jude itu
you
yang
can
kami ke
change
Amerika.
on here probably.
Kami ke Amerika terus kita ngadirin acara pernikahan mereka. Ini buat diaper bag. Ini diaper bag. Ini bagus kan? This is for changer. Oh,
Probably,
diaper.
yeah.
Yeah. She said it. I want to look the pocket. Oh, okay, like this. This is for what?
Bottle?
Oh, this is for bottle. Oh, this is good, huh? Just keep warm. And oh, so much stuff. What is this? This is for what, huh? Oh, tissue.
Baby wipes.
Yeah. Buat lap pantat. You can open it. Okay.
Just later.
Later, yeah. It's for mom. Something.
No. Or this one. Sound.
Yeah. Oh, you can hang. You can hang it
Probably need
here
battery.
too, honey. Listen.
Yeah.
Ini bisa di sound music gitu ya, terus bisa dipasang di tas juga bisa. Oke.
Toy.
This is from mom. Ini dari
Yeah,
mama.
Yeah. From this.
From mom and dad.
Actually, or maybe
This is
Kimberly.
from Mom and
bought it?
Dad.
Maybe no, maybe not.
Yeah. What is that? Talking.
Good call. I said you were talking when I talking. Okay, you were talking when I was talking. More.
More toy.
Very cute.
Puji Tuhan aku gak usah beli mainan. Lumayan dibeliin.
Huh? Shoe. Tiny shoe. You're so small. Small feet. It's like the size of my finger.
Yeah, yeah.
Very cute.
Cute.
I know you're getting onesie. I love mommy.
Ya ampun. It's really cute. So much.
Mickey Mouse. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Mickey. So cute. Let's see.
Baju. Banyak banget
Grandpa
bajunya di
keeps it
dalam.
real. Grandpa keeps it real.
Oh my gosh.
This is shirt. Very cute. Oh. Surf dude. Surf dude. This is, he can wear this to
Bali.
beach, huh?
Beach.
Bali.
Bali.
This is good for. This is just bare. Another onesie. So many onesies. Little bib, huh? Bibs.
Iya. Ini buat lap gember. Kata orang Maluku ya.
Too small, huh? I'm cute. I'm cute.
Yes, you're cute.
Gap.
So much
The
clothes, honey.
onesie, Gap onesie. These are like from used ones.
Yeah. It's okay.
Another bib. Under this mess is one really cute kid. Because he'll have food everywhere on his face.
1, 2.
Spotless. Spotless. Two dogs, dirty dog. Not dirty. Spot and spotless. It's maybe for twins, but okay. Let's see.
Oh yeah, this is for twins.
This is fancy.
Yeah, it's fancy.
Onesie. Fancy onesie.
Fancy clothes.
Fancy onesie. Socks.
Oh my god, socks. Okay.
Lot
We're
of-
gonna open it.
lot of socks. Hats. cute.
This is for
Winter probably.
winter.
It still fits in the winter.
Hope so.
We got so much stuff. Shirt. Oh, onesie. Onesie fancy for summer. Good. Oh, another hat. This is
Summer, huh?
summer hat for the beach.
Not yet.
For the beach. Crazy. This is
It's for winter.
oh yeah, it's pants and pull kind of what is it called? Jumper. I don't know. Oh, cute
Jacket.
hoodie.
Hoodie. It's cute.
Hoodie, small hoodie. So much stuff. Oh my gosh. Onesie, a lot of onesies. Oh no, this is shirt. This is tank top. Tank
He need
top.
pants probably.
Yeah.
Tank top.
Dinosaur onesie. This one's small. This is for newborn.
Yeah.
Shorts. Cute. Shorts. Onesie. Oh no, t-shirt.
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Oh,
Oh
Packers.
my gosh, cute.
Wisconsin. Green Bay Packers. Oh. Here comes trouble. This is like a
Oh,
onesie
man.
t-shirt.
Army. Trouble. Trouble.
Oh, this is
Just
together.
one sec.
This is what? Socks?
Socks.
Socks and pants and a onesie. A lot of stuff like dinosaur onesie. There's pants. It's football. Oh my gosh, this is big. Oh my
This
God.
is for 8 months, maybe?
Hopefully, because this is for winter. So
Yeah, he can wear it.
he's gonna be a football star.
Mhm.
I don't know where he's gonna get that from.
I hope so.
Not from me. Oh,
Oh, it's cute too.
more Green Bay Packer colors. Yeah. Green Bay Packers.
This is Wisconsin.
Wisconsin's football team. Yep. Oh, what do they have? Dinosaur? No. This is crocodile. Crocodiles. Croc Rock. They're rock
Croc
stars.
rock.
Rock stars. Small hat.
This is for men? Yeah, I guess
Sure.
yellow it's okay.
It's okay. Oh, cute. Another hat. Dog hat. Another hat. Oh my gosh, so many hats. We don't need to buy hats.
Yeah.
So many now.
But I already bought like 2 maybe.
Don't buy anymore.
Yeah, no. This is for
Fire
newborn.
truck.
It's nice.
Fire trucks.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, polar bear and a penguin. They don't live together in real life, but they live on the opposite ends of the earth, but it's okay. They're in the zoo, maybe. We have, another penguin.
Penguin again.
This is good for winter.
Yeah.
This is
it's
big.
good, yeah. I like if the clothes has like this. So
Feet.
yeah, feet. Bungkus kaki gitu ya. Apa sih namanya, jumpsuit?
More pants.
Cute. Yeah, this is good color. So he can use this other
is,
t-shirt.
Pants and onesie.
Jesus Christ, so much, hon.
So much.
Aku nggak
There's
beli baju
more.
lagi.
There's more. More pants.
Banyak banget. Rezeki jangan ditolak. Oh, it's more pants and it's cute.
Like jeans.
Jeans, pants. Oh my God.
Athletic. Where he can work out. More pants. Star.
Oh my.
Pants.
Pants.
Blue pants. Almost.
Almost. Tinggal dikit lagi.
This cactus.
Wait, it's cute, huh?
This is what? Swansea. It's a onesie.
You say onesie?
This is onesie. And this is like pajamas or.
Yeah, this is pajama. So he can use like maybe kalau musim gugur. This is autumn. Aki. This is for Aki.
Little squirt. Cute. Whale.
Ikan.
Daddy's little rock star. Rock star.
Oh my gosh.
So much.
So much. Gambar Han.
Okay. And then
Shark, fish.
this is fish.
Jumpsuit. Oh my gosh.
We have fish. This is
You're getting tired.
yeah. It says a lion. You brave. It's like a
Jacket.
jacket. Yeah. Hood,
Jacket.
the hoodie.
Hoodie.
Hooded jacket, and then this is what? Oh, this is a dog. This is dog. This is
Almost.
do laundry once a month.
Ya, I'll do laundry. Terus sini aku bakalan nyuci-nyuci.
So many. Oh, very cute. This one's cute. A lot of animals.
Yeah, this is cute, huh? Woohoo.
Pants
Pants.
with
Aku suka
a
celana-celana
dog.
bayi gini. Ngantuk.
Dog onesie.
10.
More dogs.
Dogs.
More
Oh,
ducks.
yeah, this is stuff. It's cute.
This is really cute.
Cute, cute. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
This is another duck.
Newborn.
This is for newborn. And these are the newborn ones now. More ducks.
Yeah, this is for
There's so many
newborn.
ducks. This is just like, what is
Yeah,
this?
this is
Turtles,
newborn.
little
It's
tiny,
newborn.
small turtle.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, mom said
Stripe.
this is probably
Yeah,
all
this is
for
new- this is for
newborn stuff.
newborn. This
Newborn.
this stuff here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Small dinosaur.
It's good, hun.
We have a helicopter. Yeah, this is newborn. We can fit it. He's a big baby.
Yeah.
More dinosaurs.
Hope he can fit it.
Daddy's little star. And flowers. This is good for Bali.
Yeah.
And
Bali.
rabbit.
And then,
Much.
okay,
That's it. Done.
done.
So much stuff.
Selesai, teman-teman.
I don't think we need to do much shopping anymore.
Ya, we don't need it. Ya, we don't need. Lumayan banyak yang dikirimin. Terima kasih banyak, Mama dan Papa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mama and Dad, thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Oh yeah, thank you for subscribe us, our channel. Thank you for like and please comment below if you like this comment or you want me to make other video. You have idea, you want me to do something crazy or something, maybe prank him or something.
No.
Okay guys, thank you so
Don't do that.
much.
Right now. I'm worried.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.